The passenger side.
Yeah, okay. Battery's here.
You want to peel up and peel back. Just make sure that don't hit the car. See those white clips in it? Ooh, I worked one out. I worked it out of the back of here. But those are the things that you gotta roll back. Three bolts. There it is. I was pushing on this instead of that thing. I'm like, why the fuck isn't this thing pushing in? I didn't want to force it.
That middle turn piece too.
I don't have to, but I think it's just two bolts underneath here. So much easier. Look at all that. One here, one there. Want to take that black piece? I'm gonna hold the door again. Sweet. I'll hold the door, yep. Make sure this mechanism goes in the same. Hold this. Or we could just lift up, pull out, type of deal. That. Mirror bolts, we toss these bitches back in the mirror so you do not lose them. I don't care if you have some of those, like we keep those screws on. Mirror bolts always stay in the mirror. So, see this screw? That's what you're screwing and unscrewing.
Alright.
Just gotta be careful because that will fall out too, down here. Not fun.
Oh shit, okay.
But
But it doesn't back all the way up.
No. It might. Crazy. Right behind that window track. Nice, bro. What the fuck holding this thing in? Wow. You undo these for temperature in the mirror, and then
Trying to like pre-bend it too.
yeah, and then there's this window frame. You got to make sure you come up and around the back of it. You got the door?
Yeah.
Where'd the pick tool go?
Shit, I don't see it.
It's alright. Good?
Go.
Got that side?
Yeah.
Oh, missed the bolt. It's gonna slide off. Hold on. Ta-da! You throw it over there. Nice. Yeah. So you got to take out the ring, water rubber gasket, and you see all these. So to take off the side rubber molding, we got the same type of clips all the way up until here, and then you have torque screws coming through on this side. So we need to remove this right here and get these screws. So you kind of want to take that same trick, but push down on this while you're pulling back on that end and slowly work it up. Sounds scary, but if you go nice and slow and continue to lift up, everything goes nice. Same way like we did the doors. Let's give it a nice little shimmy. You can feel the clips. Clip. Clip right here. Clip, clip, clip.